Chicken butt.
You have to tell me a funny joke.
Bugger.
Oh my god. I have a penis.
Poop. Vagina. Ovaries.
Baby maker.
You guys, that's not even funny.
You laugh at it.
But I don't. I was
you
already
do.
smiling. Are we done with this video?
Testosterone.
I haven't even laughed yet because you haven't told me anything funny.
Pudding.
Pudding! She like yelled at him. We need pudding!
We have to put this on YouTube and
No, I should do my impersonation of the pudding girl. How much time do we have left? Do you see what we get? Pudding. Pudding! Pudding!
you look so mental.
Talk about Maisha and Mr. Andrew McNair.
I don't even know his first name. Andrew McNair.
You look like you need to belong in like some special hospital.
This looks like an application video.
So I love Maisha. I watch her all the time. She's gonna find this on YouTube and be freaked out. She's really awesome. Today when I was drawing her, she said that she really liked my drawings, and I was like, actually that one's of you. And she complimented me on my salsa dancing. And Elena and I drew together, and like she drew really bad stick figures, but they turned into making really awesome jewelry. Because I love Elena. And me and Cassie are gonna be pen pals. Oh, who else do I talk? Kim. Can I tell the Kim joke? Okay, Kim, we were talking, and she's like, I settle for nothing less than a man in shining armor riding up to me on a white horse to propose. And I was like, is that how your husband did it? And she's like, no, I'm happily divorced. And I was like, is that one of the reasons why? And she's like, something like that. And she gave me a little Kim smirk. Okay, are we done?